Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we're going to be unboxing a rechargeable battery. This is by a brand called Envie, and you can see that it's a 9-volt battery and the capacity happens to be 300 milliamp hours. The parent company happens to be Envie, and on the front side, you can see not much aside from the battery itself. They're advertising that it's got a low self-discharge, which means that once you charge the device, it takes a really long time for it to automatically discharge it over time. It's also ready to use, so this does come with charge inside it. You don't have to immediately charge it before using. You can use it right out of the packaging. So on the back side, you have a little note regarding the different use cases for which this battery is applicable. They're stating that it's got no memory effect. That's because it does not use cadmium. So nickel cadmium batteries have that problem. And aside from that, you have the importer and marketer's contact information, and also a little bit of information regarding the other products that they sell. Let's just open it up and see what it looks like. Now, this is a standard 9-volt battery. You might have seen these in multimeters and sound meters. This is kind of common for such usage. This is also certified for BIS, as you can see, the mark over here. And there isn't much mention of anything else on the sides. They've stated that you should ideally charge this for 16 hours max at 30 milliamperes hour. Milliamps, not more than that. And the capacity is 300 milliamp hour as was seen previously. So that's it for the unboxing of the Envie nickel metal hydride rechargeable battery. Thank you for watching.